Hey, it's Tech Dude. A new PC Manager tool has been launched by Microsoft. It will boost your computer performance, increase your security and much more. So today I am going to review this software. First of all, let's download this software from Microsoft website, link in description. Install it. Click on Launch Now. Here, as you can see, a boost button on the top. Clicking on it will remove all temp files and clear some memory. The next one is Health Check. It'll scan your PC for any problems on your PC. You can also disable startup apps from here. Just click on Proceed. Done. So quick. The next one is Storage Management. Here, the first one is Deep Cleanup. It'll scan your PC deeply. You can also see details about scanned items here. Select and click on Proceed. Next is Manage Large Files. Here you can scan files by their size. Just select it as you like and click here. Here in the Process Manager you can end process of running apps like Task Manager. Here also you can scan your PC as in Defender and Security tab. Thanks for watching.